In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit, annotate, and sign a PDF in DocHub. We'll start by opening your PDF in DocHub. Head to the DocHub website and log in. From your dashboard, you can open your file in a few ways. If it's already in your account, click it under My Documents. If it's on your computer, choose New, then Upload File, and select the PDF. You can also import directly from Google Drive, Dropbox, a URL, or even Gmail. Once you choose a source, the file will launch in the DocHub editor, ready for you to work on. If a file is large, give it a moment to render before moving on. Now let's add text. Look to the left toolbar and click the Text tool. Click anywhere on the page to drop a text box, then start typing. You can customize the font, size, color, and alignment so your text blends in with the document or stands out when needed. If the placement isn't perfect, drag the text box to reposition it. This is ideal for filling forms, adding notes, or inserting new content. A quick tip, keep your font consistent with the document for a polished look and use alignment options to keep things neat and readable. Next, let's mark up the document. Click Markup on the toolbar to reveal your options. Use highlight to emphasize key sentences, underline for titles or definitions, and the squiggly line to flag areas that need review. If you need to hide sensitive information, select Redact to black out text. Redaction is intended to permanently conceal content, so double-check you're covering exactly what you need before moving on. As you annotate, aim for a color system that makes sense to you. One color for important points and another for questions can make later review faster. Finally, let's sign or add a handwritten touch. Click Sign. You can draw your signature or a quick note using your mouse or trackpad, type your name to generate a clean signature style, or upload an image of your signature if you have one. Place the signature anywhere on the PDF and adjust the size by dragging the corners so it fits the signature line or the space you have. This is perfect for approvals, acknowledgments, or adding a personal note. And that's it. You've opened your PDF, added text, marked it up, and signed it in DocHub. Follow along with these steps, and you'll be editing like a pro in no time.